Welcome to Mathenatic. We are busy revising financial questions for grade 12 mathematics. Ben takes out a loan. He repays the loan by making two payments. First, he pays 5,000 Rand 4 years after the granting of the loan. 2 years later, he pays 6,000 Rand. The interest rate during the first 4 years is 16% per annum compounded quarterly and 14% per annum compounded semi-annually for the last 2 years. How much did Ben borrow? So this type of question is based on grade 11 finances and also your knowledge on compound interest. So here's a picture of the information that we have. Ben borrowed some amount of money. We know that in 4 years' time, he's going to pay 5,000 Rand. And 2 years after that, he pays 6,000 Rand in order to settle the loan. In our previous video, we spoke about this concept of moving money back to a starting point. And that's the same concept that we will use now. Instead of only having one value, as in our previous video, that was 4 million Rand to be moved back, we're going to move back two amounts. So let us start with this 5,000 Rand. This 5,000 Rand earned interest for a period of 4 years. So if we move back, it will be n is equals to negative 16. And as I explained in the previous video, our n values become negative when we move backwards. But this 6,000 Rand, if you move it right to the front, actually undergoes two interest rate changes. We are charged 14% per annum, compounded semi-annually, and we are charged 16% per annum, compounded quarterly. So let us set up an equation. So here is our final solution. What I want you to notice is that we are adding. We have the 6,000 Rand that we moved back right to the start, and the 5,000 Rand that we moved right to the start. So let's see what happened to this 5,000 Rand first. If we move it back, it was in the account for 4 years, and it was compounded quarterly. So the amount of compounding periods is 16. And we say negative 16 because we're moving back to the start. And for the 6,000, we have 14% per annum, compounded semi-annually. This happened over 2 years, so between year 4 and 6. So in total, 2 times 2, that is 4 compounding periods. So we move or take away the interest for 2 years. And now that we're at year 4, we take whatever that result is and we move it back for another 16 periods compounded quarterly. So can you see we are bouncing this 6,000 Rand back right to the start. And the loan that Ben took out was 5,113 Rand and 44 cents. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.